Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change the age on Discord without the need of ID. So for that, open up Discord and go to support and then click on submit a request. And after that, in this section of what can we help you with, click on it and scroll down. Then click on this option of trust and safety. After that, type in your email address, and in the section of how can we help, select this option of appeals, age, update and other questions, and then again click on the next section, and here select this option of update my age information, and after that provide your date of birth over here. And after providing your date of birth, just type in the subject over here. After providing the subject, then you have to type in this description, and in the description you can explain that why you want to change your date of birth, and you can write that you have accidentally provided a wrong date of birth. Now you want to change your date of birth to the original one. So after writing the description, just click on submit, and that's how you change the age on Discord without the need of ID. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.